Hey folks, this is Lynn Blanc from linsfood.com. This is Mahalabia or Mahalabi, a popular dessert in the Middle East made with milk, with boiling milk ever so slightly, thickening it and then chilling it. It's very similar to Blanc Mange. It's like custard, like panna cotta, like firni. Let's go look at the ingredients and then let's get cooking. To make the Mahalabia itself, we will need 500 ml of fresh whole milk, 500 ml of evaporated milk, 150 grams of white sugar, 5 tablespoons of corn flour to thicken the Mahalabia. And to flavor the Mahalabia, we will need the seeds of 4 green cardamoms, which we are going to crush or grind to a fine powder. To flavor the Mahalabia, we will also need either some orange flower water or some rose water. It's up to you. And then to garnish the finished Mahalabia, traditionally some rose syrup and some crushed pistachios, but you can also use almonds and any nuts you like. Let's get cooking. So we start with making a paste with the corn flour and some of the milk. Then we pour both types of milk into our saucepan, follow with the corn flour paste and the sugar. Mix well. Don't need to wait for the sugar to dissolve. Just mix well, place it on medium heat and keep stirring. After 5 minutes, it'll start to thicken. Keep cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes until it resembles custard. Take it off the heat, then add the crushed cardamom seeds and your water, flavored water, whether it's rose or orange water. Then we pour into serving glasses. Leave it to just settle for 5 minutes to stop steaming. Then we cover with cling film and place in the fridge to chill. So let's take a look at how we use the rose syrup. One of my favorite ways of topping Mahalabia. So that's your very, very thick rose syrup. And we're going to dilute it ever so slightly with water. And we just spoon it over the Mahalabia. So we follow the rose syrup with our crushed nuts. Pistachios are traditional and make a beautiful color contrast. You can use almonds, walnuts, whatever you like. And follow with some edible dried rose petals if you like. Or top it with some fresh fruit. So there you go. How to make Mahalabia at home. Super easy, right? It took us 10 minutes to cook it, 5 minutes to do the prep work. And that's it, chill it until you need it. So, and one final word, as you can see from all these glasses and dishes that I have, you can serve it in anything you want. Bowls, my favorite. Cocktail glasses are my favorite. I have about 300 of these because when I cater, this is one of my favorite ways of serving desserts. So there you go, any which way. Teacups, coffee cups, espresso cups, Turkish coffee cups, Arabic coffee cups, they'll go very well as well. But to me, a glass dish is always better because you can see the dessert. So there you go, Mahalabia, linsfood.com. That's where the full recipe will be at. I shall catch you all soon.